going to go over a very simple drawing that we can do together. So follow it step by step with me, and you'll have it. It's going to be an Among Us crewmate, and he's going to be dancing. It's going to be a dancing pose, all right? So let's get started. Going to go right here. Going to curve right there, just like a slight curve at an angle. And that's going to be kind of the visor of the crewmate in general. We're going to go over here and find the front of that visor, and we're going to curve along this side. You know, and by the way, being close enough is absolutely good enough. You don't have to be like exact or anything like that, just close enough, and that'll work. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to curve a line down this way. It's going to be the opposing line to this curve. There we go. And we're just going to close this side off right here, again with a slight curve. These always do well. All right, let's go over here on this side. We're going to go out, down. Let's go over here at the top. Curve. Right on. That's like the top of his head. This is his hip. He's kind of like leaning into it. We're going to go, let's see over here on this side. Line down for his leg. Going to go over here on this side and curve out over here on that direction. So now you have the bottom of the foot in that direction right here. Don't forget, hit the like button if you do like the way we're going slow with these. I want to get a feedback vibe from it. Let's go over here now. Line out for the other leg. He's going to be really dancing there. Right? He's going to be really having that goofy side pose position that you know, we kind of think about when we think about like how would these guys dance, because they have no arms, right? So we're gonna find a point that we're gonna get to, maybe over here. So I can even put a dot there where it's gonna be the top of the leg, but at the same time I'm gonna want the body to curve that direction. So I'm gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna curve a line downward. It's gonna be a slight curve, okay? So right there. And then we're gonna, you know, again, he has his other leg on that side. So we're gonna throw a line straight out that direction. Right? It already you can already tell where this is going, right? Which is good stuff. And then we're gonna just kind of put a cap on the end of that right there. So already you see the way it's kind of going. You see the direction it's going. We kind of, you know, we're kind of following along together here. And you want to add a little bit of dimension to it, although these are simple characters, but let's add some dimension to it. So we're going to go over here. We're going to draw like a curve on this side right there. Curve for like the bottom of the foot. Over here now, curve on this side for this bottom of this foot. Right on. So now it's kind of like we're looking at the bottom part of the feet, right? So now we kind of have more or less a you know, a better idea of what's going on. A big part about drawing is you're kind of revealing stuff to the viewer, right? So if we didn't have those lines before, they'd be like, oh, it's just like a squishy marshmallow. But now they know that you're looking at the slight bottom of their foot, right? You're revealing information through very simple lines like that. That's called indication. I'm going to go over here now. We're going to draw a curve right there. Similar thing. We're showing there's a bend in that leg. Right? We're showing that there's a bend in that leg, and that's what's going on there. Over here on this side, out right there. We still need that backpack. It's a little bit high right there, but normally I make it about the level of the eyes, but I'm like, all right, let's just make it a little bit high over here, and we're going to curve down right there. And we're pretty much almost done already. But we got a couple of things more, so stick around. So over here now, the leg is bending on this side, a little bit more extreme, so we're going to draw a line there. So now it really looks like he's bumping into somebody, right? Like, boom, like he's dancing there. If you want to overdo it, draw like a music note or something like that. So it's obvious. You draw a couple of music notes if you want. Like draw another one right there. Something like that. Make it fill it in. Just leave that one. Maybe it's a little different. Like he's just he's jamming out, right? He's in like the club, or he's like in the party, or whatever he's doing, right? He's in there. He's having a great time. That's gonna, you know. Okay, so let's add some of the smaller details to this. Okay, but it's important. So don't leave yet. Let's do it. So we're gonna curve underneath, and just kind of make a wobbly shape along the lens. It doesn't matter what. That's the least important line of the whole thing, but you just want it to be there. Just wobble it. It could just be like a big curve and a line right here. Line over here on this side. Down, 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 down. You could throw like I just put that line there, but you could fill that in, by the way. Totally. It's up to you. A lot of this stuff is very much in the eye of the beholder kind of thing. So if you like doing this sort of thing, do it. You want to add as much as you want here. Maybe add like a little light over here, like a line over here. I mean, another extra line. You can add whatever you want. You want it to look like a reflective surface. If you really want to do something crazy, maybe draw like a curve over here and draw like another crewmate in here, like a circle, line, curve line over there. You know, draw like another little crewmate, like there's another crewmate looking at him like, huh? What are you doing? Right? It's just little hints of stuff that you can barely tell, but that's the kind of stuff that makes it rewarding for you, right? That's the kind of stuff that we draw for to make it exciting for us. And then the last thing would be throwing like a thick line, not too thick, on the outside of the character. This is what, when you draw a thick line like that, it makes it incredibly how do you say that? Makes it incredibly like vibrant, and I would say like not vibrant, but it makes it very, very graphic, so the viewer can see it immediately. What I want you to do is I want you to stay right here. We're gonna do another lesson. This is pretty much the end of this one, but also share the video if you can. It helps the channel out. Share it anywhere on social media if you like that. So say hi to me in the comments, and we'll talk in the next video. Okay? Talk to you soon. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.